Hi, I'm Kean Tui with Combustion Technologies USA, and I'd like to talk to you about the initial fill for your Combustion Technologies hydrogen generating machine. First step, open the top of the machine and add 2 packets of electrolyte with your provided funnel. If your funnel gets packed up like mine, just tap the funnel till it goes down. Step 2, you take 16 ounces of distilled water and pour that down the same area where you put your electrolyte. And it should fill the water gauge in the middle of the machine. You can go ahead and put your cap back on. The next step is to fill your bubbler/flame arrestor with 4 ounces of distilled water. You'll notice that the bubbler is only about halfway filled. But that's exactly where you want it. The next step, using the supplied cord, we plug the machine in. Turn the machine on using the timer in the front of your machine, checking your amp draw. What you're looking for is about 18 amps on the gauge to the left. Once you see that, have the machine run for about 5 minutes. Once it's been 5 minutes, if your water level's low, you want to shut the machine off just by turning the timer like that. Unscrew your cap. Put your funnel back in. Continue adding water until it gets to the middle of the water gauge. Your machine's now ready to use. If you have any questions, links in the description.